Well, there comes a time where we all sit back and wonder how the happenings in life happening within our control. Even when we're in strife, even when we've lost it all, and it just feels like we're striving to stay alive. I'm gonna change the way I think. I'm gonna focus on the good things that are happening to me. I'm gonna change the way I think. I'm gonna focus on the good things that are happening to me. Whoa, whoa. Sometimes the road is rough, and although it might be tough, I'm gonna give it all I've got. Face the challenges that come into my life. They've come in to be overcome, and if I give it all I got, it's not long till it's all done. I'm gonna change the way I think. I'm gonna focus on the good things that are happening to me. I'm gonna change the way I think. I'm gonna focus on the good things that are happening to me. Whoa. The way I think, now I focus on the good things that are happening to me. Now I change the way I think, and now I focus on the good things that are happening to me.